Hi you guys, I will be showing you how to accomplish this cute and simple DIY wood art for maybe your mom or dad or just to decorate around the house with. If you want to see how, then keep watching. So here is the wood that you will need to start the project. I actually went to Home Depot where they measured it out and cut it for me. I also used some styrofoam cups to prop up the board so that I could start painting. First, you're going to need a sander. With the sander, I use to just sand the board smooth so that it can release and remove all of the loose wood that is on it to prevent any splinters from happening during the project and after the project. So, if you have seen my previous video, then you would know that I really love Rust-Oleum paint. We're going to be using the stained Rust-Oleum paint in this project. So here is the first coat. You can use any type of paintbrush to paint the wooden board, but I use a 2-inch paintbrush. And here is the second coat. And I really like how it turned out. So now for the nailing of the board. Okay, so I got my husband to buy some nails. Do not get these nails. They are way too thick. You need common nails, which I had to go back out and get some more because he got the wrong nails. But these are the letters that I use to do the mom, M, heart, M, and I actually cut these out with the crease cut, so that's why it looks really neat. So I'm lining it up, making sure that it is neat, and I also use tape to make sure that it's not moving as I'm nailing it down. I use a ruler to also help measure off where it should be as well. And here is how it's supposed to look before you start nailing. Okay, so I actually got my husband to help me with my third board because I'm actually doing 3, which I'm doing for Mother's Day. So he was helping me out. And so this is how it will look with the nails being in each corner of the letters or the image, to make sure you outline the different corners where you want to use the yarn to start making patterns. Also, be careful when you're nailing down. Make sure that it's not going all the way through the wood, because you can also damage your floor or your surface. And this is the fun part. All you have to do is use the yarn and just go in different patterns all the way through. And as you can see, I'm kind of struggling recording with one hand and actually trying to go around the nail with the other hand. Remember, you don't have to be neat with your patterns. You can just go crazy with it and it'll turn out perfect. We are actually almost done, but here's what it looks like. And I actually already put the mini pins on the board, and what you're going to do is use the wood glue. I use the Gorilla wood glue to put the mini pins on the board so that you can hold your pictures with. And I use 3 on some boards and I use 4 on other boards, so it's up to you. Now it's time to add your pictures and be creative. You can put it in the pins, or you can put some pictures in between the yarn of the artwork, but you can put your pictures anywhere that you would like. And so what I did was I wanted to add the names on the board to be more personalized, and I used the Cricut to cut the words out. And what I'm going to do is just stick it on and press it down and make sure it's down really good, then remove the transfer paper. We are finally done, and here's the end results.